Hi friends, this is Anamka Vijay and welcome to my YouTube channel Stocks Efforts for analyzing the Nifty, Bank Nifty and stocks. So before we get into this week analysis through Elliott waves, this is my disclaimer. So read carefully, and I'm not asking any investment, so be cautious and beware of the fraudsters. I'm not responsible for any losses if you took the trade according to my trade plans, explaining here. So this is regularly what we are doing, our watch list, and I didn't done from the past 2 weeks because of my busy schedule in forex. So I just did this week, and if I'm getting any free time, I will do as much as possible. So we'll get starts from Nifty. So as per this view wave count, it's a 1, 2, so 3 is ended here, and 4 is an regular flat correction, and fifth I already expected it could be an extended, so it's already did. So now whether this is the 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 is ended in the wedge formation of that fifth wave, or there is one more alternative count is there. This could be a 1, this could be a 2, and this could be end of the 3 also, because the intermediate wave I'm not able to catch that. So it could be a internal wave could be a end of the 3 also here. In that case, this could be a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here is one more small wave is a 1, 2, so 3, 4 and 5. So whether this is the end of the third and this is the end of the fourth, and the fifth wave could be one more high is also possible, or it's already completed and we are expecting the downtrend. So that is the one view. The another view is the third is ended here, means fourth has to come in the three-way structure nearly 12,850 range, and again one more high is also possible. So if it is in that action here, if the fourth and fifth, if it's around 13,800 something, if it did, means we need to again rearrange this count, because if it is ended means as per that Elliott waves, wave 0 to 3 for the rejection 4, exactly 61.8 where we are. So from here it has to get rejected, and if it went to that nearly to the 13,800 to 14,000, so in that case this could be a fourth wave, and one more fifth wave is nearly, one second, so wave 1 equals to wave 4 approximated 12,800, so nearly that 14,100 zone, or it's 13,800 zone. So it could be wave A is equal to AB is equal to CD pattern. So in that case this could be a wave A, B, C is ended, so this could be another A wave. A, B, C is A, and this is the B, and C in the 5-way structure 1, 2, 3, 4. If it get rejected at 12,800, and again if it went to the 13,800 to 14,100, in that case it could be A, B, C is A, B and C. So this would be another correction pattern, 3-way structure is also be there. So in that case, if it is went to the 14,100, as per this of for the irregular flat, 1272 is 13,825. So this could be a fourth wave also. Third is ended here at our last time, this is 12,431, and the drop is a three-way structure, and it could be a three-way structure. This also a three-way structure. So if it is around, if it get rejected at the 13,800 to 14,100, So this could be a three-way structure, and again there will be a drop like this kind of wave structure here, and then again it can go higher. So this is my view. So as of now I'm expecting the rejection from this zone up to the 12,800 is my first target. After that we need to watch whether it is doing the one more way to the high, or if it is getting rejected very strongly. So that could be an end of this fifth way also. 1 2 3 4 5, or if it get extended, this could be another three-way structure also. So this could be another A B C as a B C as a B, and C. But I'm not sure about this, because if it is A B C is the flat pattern of A, B it won't be like this kind of where 23.6 retracement is there. But if it is a flat correction, at least it has to make a minimum of 61.8 to 78.6. So in that category we may accept as a flat correction and then see. But in this case, so anything is possible. So whether the fifth wave got extended, or this could be A B C as a and B and C, or like that, or 1 2 3 4 and 5. So anything here I'm getting I need a rejection, and then only it has to shoot, or it has to again the massive drop can occur. If it is the fifth way ended, means make sure that here I'm expecting that whole count. I have explained already this, so you just have a look for the previous, for the positional wave count I did. So whether this is a W, and this could be a triangle of X. So this is the A, yeah, A B and C. So this could be an X, so another Y has to happen. So lot of possibilities in these higher zones. So be sure. And if it is an impulsive wave 1 2, and this is also 1 2, and here is a small 1 2, so 1 2, so like this kind of impulsive wave count is also be there. So just if you want, have a look, have a take a screenshot, and you can get through your analysis and make sure if you are taking the trade, go through your analysis, took this as my analysis as a references. So we can count it as a three-way structure also. Here the 1 is the W, means this is a X. So 1 2 3 4 5, so that is could be a Y, or this could be a X, and another three-way structure. So anything is valid if you count it as a WXY, or it could be a impulsive wave also. So here in this zone. So anyway, I'm looking for the three-way structure to the downside, to the nearly 12,800. So let's move on to that bank Nifty. So bank Nifty also same. I'm looking for a rejection. Whether, see, this is a B and C as a W. This is the connecting wave. So A, B and C means it has to get rejected. I expected from here itself, because 1 2 3 4 5 is a clearly visible, but again it did that extra waves. So that it could be a, this is the end of the A also, and we are looking for the B wave. So in that case, this could be a wave 1, this is the 2 3, and 3 is ended here. 4 is an irregular flat or a triangle like this, or a running flat. And the fifth wave I will show you here. This could be a wave 1 2. So 1 2 3 4 5 is ended here, so that means 3. So here A B C D E, and this could be the end of that fifth wave. So in that case 1, so this could be a 1 2 3, so 4 and 5. So we are on the final stage. Or sometimes if it is a here, B and C is also looking like that finally that with pattern. So this kind of wave count is possible. So whether it is the end of the trend of W, it's in the case of A, B, C, or it could be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is ended A. So anyway, I'm looking for again the 24,000. So in that case, whether it is end of the 3 means this is a 1, 2, and the 3 is in the diagonal also, we may get another three-way structure to retest this channel, and again one more high is also possible. So in that case, according to that, exactly we are on that 1618. So we can expect it 0 to the 4. So nearly 33,000 is possible in the bank Nifty. So what will be the rejection means for the third wave? Nearly 38.2, or within this 23.6 to 28. So 20, yeah, 23.6 to 38. So within this, I'm expecting a rejection, and it may be a bull side also if it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So or it could be a B, C is a Y, and one more three-way structure is a bigger thing, and then again it can shoot for that ABC, bigger ABC. So in any case, I will update it if I have a time in my Telegram channel or in my Facebook pages or friend page. You can follow there itself. Otherwise, if I have a time, apologies for that, because I'm so busy in that FX. So I just took it as an analysis, and just I am investing in this also Indian market. So I'm just doing it as a learning purposes for you, and you can learn also, and your view also you can take it as a reference, my view, and you can go according to your analysis. So bank Nifty finished, and we will move on to as per our watch list. So the first thing is Titan. So Titan, right now I'm not getting any idea, because I expected this could be an A, B, C is a B, and C. From here, if it is a W, X means it. I expected that that deeper correction in the three-way structure, but it's a very simple correction and it took off. So whether it is a W, again X, A is got finished, and here it's a very confusing. So right now I'm not get anything. So I no need to explain you, because I'm not getting anything means I can't explain here. So what will be the next? So whether if it is a, so if it is a B, and C means it could end it here also, but I'm not sure about that. So if it is in any clear wave count, I will update. So next we will move on to the Grasim. So Grasim, as I expected, from here it's got rejected, and I have updated in my Telegram also on front page. So whether this could be a or 1, the leading diagonal, and B or 2. So 1, 2, and the intermediate wave is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 is got already ended. So in that case, if it is a B, C means this is the end of the W, and one more three-way structure for the X, little bit deeper corrections to the 600 to 680 is also possible. So that means what will be the retracement of this is nearly 50% or 38.2. So within this we may get a rejection, and we can took a buy also, or else if it is a 1, 2, 3 means we may get in this channel. Again it may bounce to make a one more wave to the higher 2000 is also possible for that fifth wave. So either we didn't know now whether it is a B, C, or 1, 2, 3 is completed and it is in the fourth wave. So it's looking like a Maruti. What I said in the previous, the Maruti also, it did a triangle in the fourth wave, and it shooted to the 8000, and again now it is in that 5 waves completed. Like that, this could be a 1, 2, 3, and 4, maybe a triangle. The same pattern it's occurred in Maruti. I will show you that. Same in previous I took it this as a B, and C means it has to be a deeper correction to the 5500 I expected, but this could be a wave 4 also. Same, it did that same triangle, and exactly it did that 8013 something high, and now the 5 ways is completed here. Now I'm looking only for the 3-way structure. The first target is 6500 and the next target is 5750. So the 5 ways is completed here. So if it is a 5 ways completed here means we need a minimum 3-way structure. So after that only we need to be in the buy side. So from here if it extended means that is an extra piece of any Elliott waves. If it is a 5th way can also get extended. So in that case anyway it has to again retest at that 7300, and if it breaks this that could be an extended 5th wave, because here the wave 1 and wave 2 that 61.8 is not there, so it may be extended in the 5th way also. If it is Nifty is so bullish, or if it is an 1 2 3 4 5 is ended means it can give a retracement for that 38.2 or 50 levels. So like that it is now in that grazing, that same pattern. So that we will see later onwards. Now we will move on to the Raymond. So Raymond, what I expected is 160, and if it is a 4th way is a triangle, but it make a intermediate triangle here. I will show you here. Until if it breaks that high of 360, the triangle is also valid. Still now it is valid. Now this is a triangle. So A, B, C, D, E. So now this could be a C wave. So this is the B, and the internal B wave is in a triangle. So now this A, B, C, and now I'm expecting a 3-way structure. See, expecting only, and again from here it may be another 3-way structure, and again it may drop, or else this is a B, C, A, B, C is a B, A, B, and C. If it is again, it could break this and then again fall also if it is not a triangle. So in that case the 4th way is completed here, and that retracement is also within the 38.2. So the 4th wave, it could be a retracement for that 4th wave and then again drop. So either it could be a triangle or it could be a flat correction. ABC is a AW, X, A, B, and C. It can go higher also. So up to 380, and then again it may fall also. So that is my, but expecting this, no need to buy here. I will buy only if it comes to break this zone nearly 180. Below the 200 I am expecting. So let's see whether it is happening or not. And the next Reliance is also same. That 5 ways is completed here, and again one more 3 ways already did. So now we are in that one more against the 3-way. So 1 A, B. Now I'm looking for the C wave. Again it has to retest this zone, and then again it may drop, or it can consolidation here for the longer time because it's a W. So the connecting wave, it will took more time, and then only it has to fall. So as of now for this week I'm expecting to the 2200. So within this it may be a little bit, again see A B C is the A again B, and again C is already completed. Now it can go like this, and again it may drop, or it may go above this high and again it may drop, and it could be a running flat. After that again it may shoot. So in that case this could be a ABC is a ABC is a B, C. So this could be an correction A, B and C. So like that I'm expecting the 2200, but expecting this the buy is not advised. Only if it is you get the clear structure, then only you need to be in buy with the stop loss. So next we will move on to Bajaj Finance. So perfectly it did, and I said in the last stream also, the 5 ways triangle, and this it looks like 1 2 3 4, and the 5 is got completed, or still we are in the 4th wave, and one more wave to the upside, sorry, yes, one more wave to the upper side, and then again it may drop. So I'm expecting from here, and it's already broken the previous high also. So it is doing so this could be an ending diagonal also 3. So this could be a 4, and one more way to the upper side. The 5 is also possible, but anytime it can drop, because one 3-way structure is got completed, and if it is, because it's not looking here, it is here, for me it looks like a 3-way structure, but sometimes it is also looking like a 5-way structure also. So 1 2 3 4 and 5 also. So in that case, if this is the B wave, this could be a 1, this could be a 2, and it can keep on extended also. So in that case, if it is not a triangle, mind that B is ended here, means this could be a 1, and it's not high is not yet broken, so this could be another 2 and 1 2, like that it may keep going, but it has to be another 50% drop I am expecting again to the 3600. So if it is a bigger 3 wave, that is an entirely different view, because if this is not looking like a 3-way structure, this is a one impulsive wave to the downside, there is no 3-way structure here. So in that case, this is an impulsive, this is a correction 3-way structure, it's already broken the high, or it may not. Again I needed this kind of wave structure in this zone. So let's move on to Sun TV. Yes, Sun TV. Then we will move on to Zeal. See, Sun also I am expecting this is the A, B, and I am looking for the C wave. So it is making a 3-way structure. It's already did a 3-way structure, but I am looking for the C wave. So that is why I have mentioned as a 1 2 and another 1 2. But as of now, I am looking, it's a very sluggish and slow movement, and lot of overlappings here. And it is now it's a B, C is done, and one more A, B and C is doing, and this is not also looking like an impulsive. So we have to watch this, how it is making, whether this C wave is in diagonal pattern, or it could be anything else. whether if it is dropped here. Otherwise, if it is go above this high, that would be a good for us. Whether this same count will be again that intermediate wave 1 2 3 4 like that, it can keep going on. The 1 2 and 1 2, the intermediate wave for the 3, it keep going on. But if it is false like this, because there is a still chances A B C is a is completed and another, it's looking like it's not yet ended here. If it get rejected and if it breaks this low, means again there will be a little bit consolidations it's there, but not sure what kind of pattern is going to do. So here be sure about, it's not, I'm not sure about this. So only if it breaks the high of 510 and above, that will be a bullish scenario. So Zeal also same, Z Entertainment. This is a ABC is a ABC is a B, and C is completed. So whether that C of 5 ways is inactive, 1 2, and same thing, it's also not looking like a bullish, but it's as of now it is already broke the channel. So I'm not sure about this, whether this is a ABC is a ABC is a B, and one more drop and then it can took off. So like this I'm expecting, but in some cases it may drop like this and again it may go like this and then again it may come like this. So in that time this could be a correction. So ABC is a W and here is the X and again ABC. So it will keep going on like that, because this is not looking like an impulsive wave. So I took it as a ABC is a ABC is a B and C, but we can't make it this as a 1 2 3 4. It's not like that, because if it is in a diagonal pattern also, in the leading diagonal, the wave 1 and wave 2 we need to make it here, but it's already broken that, so it is not valid. So this is a B and C, so we need to be in ABC itself. So what kind of pattern is going to do, can't say. Let's see how it, because in ICICI Bank of all the bank stocks, first of all it's looking like this kind, and then it gave a deeper correction. See, I will show you that for an example. It was like this previous, and what it did. So whether this could be a B and C. So like this in Zeal also, in that accumulation zone, it may be a little bit confusion. Once it took off after a deeper correction, and we can't catch that wave, it will keep going on, keep rising. So that time we may change our wave count according to the price action. So let's move on to next, all JSW Steel. So steel also, this is a 1 2 3 4, and I expected the fifth wave would be a wedge formation. It did the same, 1 2 3 previous. I thought this could be a wave 4, 1 2 3 4 5, and I am expected from here it has to drop. But and I said whether if it is a fourth wave, it's here, 1 2 3 is ended, fourth and fifth is still alive. So as of now, that same count 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 is ended here. So again, if it is going to the higher side, means as of now for me there is no wave count. So I'm expecting only it can do like this, and again it may do like here, or this could be a B C and W X. So A B and C, it can do like that. I took it this as a 1 2 3 4 5 as a bullish impulsive structure. But again, if it comes to a deeper correction and again if it goes higher, in that case that could be a B C as a W X. This could be a B and C. So that we can't tell now. As of now we will stick to this pattern, the 5-way structure, because the Nifty also I'm expecting a downside. So, and Bank Nifty, everything it is a little bit high as possible, and then again it may be a bigger correction I'm expecting. So in that case it's all be in a at least minimum 38.22 to 50% retracement has to be done, because this is the impulsive wave, means it has to be another 272. I am expecting the previous fourth wave intermediate to the fourth wave. So Jindal, so I took it as a 1. So ABC is a simple correction 2, or this could be, it's looking like as of now it's a 3-way structure, but can't say whether it can make a 5-way structure also. So if it did like this, this could be a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So in that case, whether this could be a end of the 2 and intermediate wave will be in action, because the zeal is in, we are in the third wave. In that weekly, this is the A, so B is already dead, so we are in that C wave. So C wave means it has to break again that 800 and above. So in that case, if this is an impulsive wave, here I took it this as a wave 1, but sometimes if we look this as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this could be a 3-way structure also, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this could be a 3-way structure also. So in that case, A, B, C as a 1 also, A, B, C as a 2. So here also A, and again little bit deeper B, and C can be again W, X, Y, that kind of diagonal triangle pattern can also happen. So here the wave count is, I'm not so sure about this here, because I took it this as a 1, 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I took it this as a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So sometimes it looks like a 3-way structure also. So that is why I'm not sure, but only in that to the downside we need to buy. So whether if it is dropped from here itself, it could be in a running flat of wave 2, because ABC is a B, and as per that Elliott waves for the running flat or for the irregular flat, we are below that 1.414. So again it may do that second wave also, whether it is a running flat or it could be an expanded flat also. Here it did already the same thing. So let's see, and we will move on to the Tata Steel. So Tata Steel also, here I make it as a A. So B is completed. See, I took it 1, 2, 3, 4, and the fifth way is extended. But if it again, if it breaks the high, so we need to change this wave count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is done, and this is the wave 3, and this is the wave 4. It's still in act. Like this, it can happen. So in that case, we simply move this A as a to the upper side. So this is a fully 5-way structure. So A, B, and C is got completed. So another 3-way structure to the downside is possible. So still here it is in up to 700 is also possible if it is an extended. So as per this, AB is equal to CD pattern. The 1618 is at 666, 666. So let's see. And we will move on to next, Hindalco. So Hindalco also same as I expected. Whether this could be an fourth wave, another fifth wave is maybe a possible. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is A. So A, B, C is a B. So 1, 2. So we are in the third wave, and we are in the fourth wave. After this, fifth wave can go above this 275 to 280 in Hindalco. So next we will move on to the MGL. So MGL also, what I expected from here, it's 1 2 3 is already there. We are in the fourth wave. After the completion of the fourth wave, fifth wave is above 1150 is my target. So we need to exit above that level here. So we are in that fourth wave, and fifth wave is also possible. But one more view is, we expecting the fifth wave at us to break this level. Sometimes it could be a B and C. If it is ended here, if it didn't break this level, so that could be a B, C, D, E, and then again it can show. So there will be a consolidation also if it is a triangle. If it didn't break this, that is why I have written here. So for a triangle in the wave X or B, possible if it didn't break the high. So if it didn't break the high means there is a lot of possibility like this kind it can make. So and that time it will be a more consolidation and we will get a more opportunity here if it is a triangle. Otherwise, if it is a book trade, this is a simple ABC is a ABC is a B. So C is a five-way structure, has to break above this level. So next I think is Sun Pharma and L&T. Sun Pharma also I expected at the 440 level is a good buy. Exactly, I think it came to that 452 and now it is looking like a three-way structure. So once the three-way structure means it could be a irregular flat, and 1272 means again there will be a three-way structure. So that could be an expanded flat or it could be a running flat. So whether if it is break this low, that is an expanded flat. If it didn't break this low, and if it is again bounced from this zone, so that could be a running flat. So whether this is a or 1, because this is an 1 2 3 4 5 is a, so B and C is completed here. Yeah, 1 2 3 4 5 C. So whether it could be a W, A B C as a, or it could be a W, or this could be a 1 2 3 4 is a triangle and fifth ways. So a lot of possibilities whether it's a or 1 or W. So anything I am expecting a three-way structure. As of now it's looked like a three-way structure, but if it again went to make one more high means that will be complete the five-way structure. So in that case this could be a B or W or X. So A is completed. Again one more three-way structure has to happen. After that it is could be a bullish. So in any cases I'm looking only for that three-way structure pullback. Whether from here it has to make a three-way structure, or after the 5 waves it can make a three-way structure. So anything if it comes to the 523 zone or in that 480 to 523 zone is a good buy as of now here, because it's already broken the high. So it is now we are in that irregular flat formation. So let's move on to L&T. So L&T also it's a WX, and here what I thought is a 1 2 3 4 5, but now this could be a 3, this could be a 4, this could be a wave 2, but here it is not at, so this is not invalid as of now. This could be a wave 1, again wave 1 2 3 4. So here is a one more 5 is also possible, I think so. Otherwise 1 2 3 4 5, so this could be a 1, this could be a 2 3 4 and 5, or again it could be a three-way structure and again one more high means this is the one thing is intermediate wave. Again we need to make it as a 1. This is a 2. So this could be end of the 3. So this is the 4, and again one more 5 is possible of the 1250 to 1270 is my target. So here it's very confused for me. That day I have explained that. So I thought it is a correction, and again I expected to buy above that 800 815 level if it breaks this, and again if it breaks this high, and again that I expected a irregular flat, but it didn't happen. So it is an impulsive wave. So whether this is a W, this is a X, so this whole thing becomes a B and C. So as of now I don't have any alternative, because that's what I said, right? I'm not much concentrating in this kind of pairs of L&T like that. I'm not sure about this, but with this kind of structure only, I already invested and I exited my position at 960 here. I'm looking for that downside, but it already shooted. So whether we know that is in bullish, but even though if we are a trader looking for the wave patterns, this looks like a correction. So again this is impulsive. What I thought from here it has to drop, and I'm looking for the buy below this level, but it shooted from here itself. And what we did, now we changed the wave count according to the price action. So anyway, I missed the trade. So that is why once we are stick to our positional target, we need to exit only the off positions. But being whether we didn't know whether once it already raised, we can say whatever it is now. But whether if it is like this, what we are looking on that day, we are already bought here at 850 or 860 zone. We are trying to book at the higher levels exactly, and I did the same. And even though after I'm booked and it's did a 5-way structure, so and again the 3-way structure, so I'm looking only for the 5-way structure to complete that correction. But what happened here? Like this. So but what is my positional target? This is a, this is a B and C. So here is a connecting wave. So even though if it is in a 3-way structure, it has to break this, or if it is making the higher also in the irregular flat, it can be a running flat here, and then it can took off. So I'm expecting this level and keep on watching the high. So in that case, we need to exit only the off, and if it comes here, we need to again accumulate that off what we booked that profit at 960. So here, that is the thing what I'm doing the mistake. Even though we know the target is 1200, so I missed that full this thing, full rally in everything. In the DCB also I did the same. So these are all the lessons, and we don't want to do again the same thing. If we are a trader also, we have to just look for the investment purposes off, and that in that another off we can do a trade. So like that I have now planned. So let's see how it works. So Ashok Leyland, as of same thing. So 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 and 5 is completed. So 1 2 3, we are in the fourth wave. Whether it is making a irregular flat, or it could be a triangle, or it is a regular flat. So whenever the pattern is completed here, I will be in buy side again if it comes to the 80 zones or 85 here. So let's see how it moves. And then Tata Motors. So Tata Motors also same. I am expecting that ABC, because I took it this as a ABC as a W, again X, ABC as a W, and this is a triangle for X. So A is completed. Now I'm looking for that B wave correction. Once the B wave correction ended, I'm looking for the buy. But if it breaks this, we don't need to again add anything until there is a clear confirmation. This is holding this line, trend line. So we need to buy here, or whether it is in this zone, 150 zone, where I exited from here itself, and I didn't done anything because I expected this as to be dropped like this, and then again it has to go up, and I missed the trade at 153. I booked the profit and just keep on watching that, and it's looking like a triangle here. So I thought this could be an A, B and C, but here it's a X is a triangle, and then it took the in upper side, the breaking the triangle in the bullish side. So now if it is comes to that around 150 zone where I exited, I will again accumulate the same positions, and if it did that again one more drop, no need to add further here. Just we need to wait and watch for the clear confirmation, then only we need to add, because that strong bullish movement, so it will took more time in the correction. So it can again retest that 100 also if it is the deeper correction. Otherwise it can shoot from here itself. It's keep on shooting because it's a very lower range at 60 zone in the previous, and it's completed that 5-way structure. So it is in bullish only, and if it keep on going means then we will change the count as ABC is a 1, so ABC is a 2, and ABC is a W, X, ABC as a 3, and like that it keep on going, and it will be reach that the target of, what's our target? The positional target of the Tata is, again it has to reach that 600 and above. Y means this is the W, this is a X, so Y has to break above the 600. So mind that, and you can trade like that. And we move on to that Maruti we can see, and then yeah, Maruti I already expected, right? I have already explained that. So the 5-way structure, and again I am expecting that 6,500, and the next target is 6,000. So within this zone, if it drop in the 3-way structure, so why I am expecting means this is the wave 1, 2, 3, 4 is a triangle, and 5 is suited, and it's already looking like a bearish. So in the 3-way structure we need to be in buy. Then another 3-way structure we can book the off, and if it drops again what we book the off price in the profit, we can again accumulate that in the 6,000 zone. So next we will move on to Apollo tires. So Apollo tire also, from that 140 I exited here. What I thought here is again it can do like this, and then again my target. But what I did, I'm expecting this, I exited my position at 140 zones. I have said that 138 or 140 I have exited, because it is not yet broken the high. So I thought it could be drop like this for the X here, for the X maybe a deeper correction. And now what is going to happen, it is still in bullish. So whether this is a wave 1, here is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you forget about these things, A, B, C, W, okay, and this could be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this could be an wedge formation A, or 1, and this could be a B or 2. So I took it this as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 means it has to complete it from here and it has to get rejected. But I took it previous, it's a W, X, so this 5-way structures could be a A. But again it did a one more high means here this could be a wave 1. So this could be a wave 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is completed, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and we are in the 5th wave. So in any case, whether this is a W or X or A or B, I need a rejections in the little bit bigger. So again, if it comes to in this zone, the previous support zone, previous resistance, and now comes with its support, so I will be in buy side in nearly in that zone, and we need to look for that another further bullish scenario, because this is also in the deeper correction in the daily formation, in the weekly or monthly, the positional. See, it's already did 74 rupees from 300, nearly one fourth. So now I'm expecting it has to break this. Otherwise, if it is an correction also, this could be a B, C, expecting again 240. If it is a flat correction, again it has to go above this 240 zone, and again there will be a drop, or it could be a triangle also. So in that case, if it is a triangle, so this becomes a A. So this becomes triangle means B, or the intermediate wave B. So anything can happen. So that we don't want now. So as of now, if it comes again the 150 zone, we need to accumulate, and again we are looking for that another high. So my target is after the breaks 240. So whether if it is breaking here and then again one more three way, and again it can come to that 120 level also. So mind that. So we will move on to the Castrol. So Castrol is got already achieved my target, and I exited at 138. Sorry, not 138. The high is already broken. The 135 I exited my position. So I don't have any position in this Castrol, because I bought at nearly 120 I bought, and again after this breaking below this, and I have said this triangle could be an intermediate wave triangle of B, or it could be a triangle in the B wave, blue B wave. So that is why I no need to exit the no need to miss the trade for that 130 to 145 zone at that time here. And it already, what I expected, that only one is bearish triangle and one is the bullish triangle. So it did that. That is why I have only entered at the off positions. And again, if it reached that 103.9 is the low, and I have entered at 104.1, I said. And it's not looking like a three-way structure, and it is not good looking so good, because for this wave formation, and if it is goes like this, I will be in that trade. But again, it's done a three-way structure. So even though I didn't done anything, and again keep on watching this, once it break the high, I exited my all positions, because what kind of formation is doing, because it's not looking like a five-way structure here. So whether this is a 1 2 3 4 5 is completed, and one more, and again a little bit consolidation, and then again one more high to that 145 is also possible. So this thing 140. So let's see how it moves. But anyway, if it's already broken the high and my target is achieved, and what I have took only for this trade. So once it broke this high 160, then only I will be in investment in this. So until that, it's a very little bit tough, because I took it this as a B, C as a 1 2 3 4 5. So anything can happen, whether it is in again consolidations. But my bias is it is going to happen to the higher side. But it is a market, it can do anything. And we didn't know about the fundamental things inside the Castrol India. So, and this is the major support zone. So I think it could be again a bullish scenario after that, again the consolidation. So let's move on to that Parag is there. So Parag also, the lot of options is there for the Parag. See, this is a 1 2 3 4 5 as a leading diagonal. I took it this as a leading diagonal A, B, and C. So in that case, this is a W, means I expected that X wave to break below this, but it didn't happen. It's keep raining at higher levels. So whether this is a A, B, C is a W, or this could be a ABC as a 1, ABC as a 2, ABC as a 3, and one more three way, and one more ABC as a 5. So in that case, A, B, and C is in like this. Whether this could be a B, and C is in a diagonal range. So that is a one view. And another view is, one second, this could be a B, and C got completed, means another A. So it's all, if it breaks this high also, it can do like this. In that case, this is a W and this could be an X, whether it is an expanded flat or it could be a running flat if it breaks the high, and it's already broken the high. So now it is in irregular flat according to the second option possibility. I'm talking about that. So don't confuse and don't make confuse of yours also. So A, B and C as a X, and again one more ABC is also possible. So that two options is there. One is an ending diagonal triangle and then it can drop, or it could be an irregular flat and then drop. So these two possibilities is there. So have a look and then we can anyway, if it is coming to the 85 again we can buy. So let's move on to Infi. So all IT stocks, what I said, we are in the fourth wave. So it's not doing anything. Still we are in the fourth wave. All the IT stocks, see ABCA, and it is in still in it's a accumulation zone or distribution zone. It's a very tough to predict here. And this is a positional wave. I will show you once again. 1, 2. So this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is completed. For this 1, 2, 3, 4 is completed and the 5 is also completed. For this one, this is a 2 and 3. So we are again, I'm expecting for the 38.2 or 23.6 is nearly 900 to that 750 zone. So this is the next buying zone for the fourth wave. So let's see how it works. And the same thing HCL, everything HCL, Wipro, all everything in this the fourth wave only. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is completed, or 1, 2, 3, and we are in the fourth wave. It's not yet clear, and there is no movement in this much more in the from the past 2 months. This is October and there is a December. There is no movement here. And Wipro, same. See, nothing. So same plan. Just have a look for my previous my Telegram also for the Wipro, HCL and Infosys, all the same zone. Whether it is making a triangle and it can short or it can be a end of the year. Let's see. And we will move on to all bank sectors. So DCB also, I thought I missed that. I said right. I exited at all at 90 here, the 98 zone. I exited my position because this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I expected the three-way structure, and then again it may go high. So what happened here? It already shooted. So I missed the trade. So everything I missed the profit, not in loss. I missed the profit and exited that early itself. Because 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what I thought is A, B, C, or it could be again one more way to the higher low side is also possible, and then it can short. But A, B, C is a B, C is a B. So see, we are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5 is also completed. So as of now, I'm looking only for the three-way structure. Again, to reach this support zone. So then I will be in buy side. For that target, again, it could be another 150 or 170 zone here in the bigger time frame. So as of now, see A, B, C as a B, and C. So this could be a W, X. So the 5 ways could be a and B in the three-way structure to reach again this zone of nearly 90 zone or 85 zone, and again it can short. So SBIN. So SBIN also A, B, C as a 1 or 2 or W, see, and 2 or X, and now in the 4 hour, see, this could be a, I took it this as a here, this is a three-way structure, and again three-way structure, and it's look like a three-way structure, but it could be a five-way structure also after that. After this, see, this is a 1, this is a 2, this is a 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. One more wave is a high is also possible. So in that case, again, A, B, C is a W, X, and Y is completed. Right? The A is completed. So in that case, again one more B wave to again reach this zone, and need to be in buy side at 220 zones. So all waiting for the three-way structures, DCB, SBI, and I will show you that. So see, in SBI also there is a little bit one more upside is also possible if it is in here. So 3, 4, and 5 is completed. So whether this could be a third way also, that is, it's a very confusing for me here. Because once again, the 1618 is 3, 4, and 5, like that. 1, 2, 3, and 4 is a triangle, and 5. But sometimes it looks like, yeah, sorry, not in this. I will show you in that ICIC. Yeah, not in this. So I'm expecting only here it's 220 and ICICI and Axis. Yeah, ICICI and Axis is the little bit confusion here. So here A, so the whole thing is B. So B is a running flat. So we are on that C wave. What I previous did is W. This is the X. Do you remember that this is a B and C as a W, X, A, B, and C? I'm expecting from here as a downtrend the three-way structure, and what it happened again, it did a five-way structure. So in that case, we need to alter that wave count. So this could be a B, and C contains a five-way structure. It is doing now. So whether this is a wave 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is completed 3, 4, and still we are in that fourth wave because it's making only three-way structure in the 15 minutes. See, as of now 1, 2, 3 is done. Here also 3 and another three-way structure. So still we are in the three wave. So it could make a triangle also, and it can shoot. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, or it could be anything else. That is the question mark here. So what I thought here is it could be a simple, from here itself it can go above the high, but it did a deeper correction, and again it's looked like a three-way structures. So I'm not sure about that, but only that still there is a little bit small to the 530 is possible, but not above that. And axis also, axis also same. See, it's a A or W. Here is a B or X. So if it is a W, this is a X. A, B, C is completed, and it is not yet broken the high. So still, if it is breaks this, and if it comes aggressively to the downside, that we have to consider as a W, X, A, B, C, and this is a Y. After that, add again X, again one more A, B, C to the Z are possible. Or if it is a deeper correction, that could be a, we need to maybe a W, X, A, B, C as a Y. Or if it is a B, C means this is a 1, 2, 3, 4 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So again that 730 is also possible. That is why I have written, and I have updated this thing in my channel also, Telegram channel also. So I'm not updating in the trading view because we need to, again I need to change this, all those things. I don't need to promote my thing in trading view. So that is why I need to change everything. That is why I'm not only posting that forex. So I'm not only updating that here. It's in that Telegram channel only. So you just follow in the Telegram or front page. So let's move on to Next is RBL. So RBL also, it's a very tough to predict here, because the wave is also, it's not all overlapping. It is not an impulsive wave for me. So I exited my position at what I said in the 200 zone. I exited looking for the downtrend. From here I looking for the downtrend, but what happened, it's already broken the high. So whether this could be an irregular flats also possible. So anyway, if it comes only in the three, as of now there is no trade for this. If it comes in the three-way structure, I'm looking for the buy here in this channel. It's around again 200 where I exited. I need to again buy after the confirmation. So whether this is a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, or this could be a A, B, C, and again this could be a B, C is a, the whole thing is in running flat or expanded flat, sorry, B, and we are on the C. So again if it goes like this, so that we consider as a, here is a, here is a B, so C is a, it may reach the 265 and then again it may drop. So there is no trade as of now here. If it is comes to the 200, I need to be buy. That's it. And apart from, I think I have covered everything here. So apart from this, there is an 1-2 trades I did. One trade is all cargo, and I have searched in that mid cap of Nifty 500, and I have already nearly added 30 stocks for my personal trading. So in that I just look only this trade, and I didn't done anything, and I didn't post it because I'm not sure about this. So I don't want to unnecessarily you kept you in a risk. That is why I didn't shared this view. But only after hitting my target, then only I am just showing that this is the all cargo logistics, and this is the wave. ABC is a 1, ABC is a 2, so ABC is a W, X, ABC. So this is a wave third, and I'm looking for the triangle, and I bought at 127.3 exactly here I bought, and just looking only for to hit above this level. And what I did is at that on I think Thursday, I think so, and the closing hours nearly that 28 328, it did the 140 and the high is made as 141. So if it is a 24-hour market, I'm not going to watch. I will just keep on placing my trial stop loss. But in the India market, the next day will be a gap down also, because it's already broken the high, and here it's already A, B, and beyond that C. So we don't know how that C wave may go above the high, but it already did the target is a 141. So I exited all my positions at 140, and the next day what it happened, it's a gap up open nearly 155, and it came to nearly what where I entered, where I exited. So now I'm just keep on watching this pair. If it is anything in three-way structure, I didn't done anything in my Telegram channel also. So I'm expecting this level again to accumulate my positions. So nearly is 100 is a good buy. And one more thing is Container Corporation. Just I'm having the positions here also, because this is a leading diagonal is a 1. So whether this is a ABC is a W, X, ABC is dead. So whether the second wave is or there, but I'm already in that at nearly 400. I'm in a position at 400. I bought it here itself, and just keep on overlapping everything. So I'm not worrying about this, because if it breaks this low, again I will be in buy side. This trade idea I have already posted in my Telegram channel. So whether I'm already in that at 400 zone, there if it breaks this 349, so I will be again add one more positions, because I entered only off. I'm looking for this. Otherwise, if it breaks this, keep on watching that, and then in the pullback I need to add, because if it goes like this, and then it can do like this of for the running flat, and again it may do like this. So immediately I won't enter. If it goes higher, if it is keep on graining like this, overlapping, So that will be a B and C. So of ABC, and one more C has to be aggressive. So in that positions, then if it breaks this high, then only we need to look for the irregular flat and not look for that 340 zone. So this is the one more opportunity in the container corporations. And one more thing is, I think, Greaves Cotton. Yes, Greaves Cotton also I'm having the position at 80 zone, looking forward, because I didn't done anything here. The just I'm looking only for this as an impulsive way. So for this impulsive way, we are in that correction. So here A, B, C is already dead, and here it's also looking like 1, 2, 3, and we are in that fourth wave. Or if it is an A, B, C, A, B, C is a B, and C means if it could be a triangle also. So I'm expecting this wave has to, if it is a triangle means approximately here. So nearly 100 is my target. So 80 by 100 means nearly 20% is for the returns for this pattern. But this is all not positional, just only for that swing trade. I'm took the trade. So after that is the Polyplex. So this is also one opportunity, and I have already shared my view there. So I'm looking here, I'm already in that this in that 772, I'm in that trade. So this is a 1, 2, 3, and we are looking for the fourth. But mind that the stick stop loss is I have placed at 640, but there is not much risk reward for this, because above, if it is a 900, we are took the position at 770, it's nearly 130. So 770 and the 640 is the 130. So the risk reward is 1:1. So unnecessarily no need to enter. See, for me, I have took it for uh, some, I need a trade, so that is why I have entered. But for you, it's not a good trade for here, because sometimes if it is a B, C, and it can shoot that fifth way also, it can shoot above that 960 to 1000 also. So let's see how it moves, but my strict stop loss is 640. Because if it is not there, again there will be a irregular flat for the B, right, within this range, and again one more drop. So if drop can be again around 550 zone, in this zone again it can come to that 500 zone or 550. After that I will be in buy side. So I think I finished everything, and I covered a lot of things also. So thanks for watching, and have a nice profitable week. So let's we will see in the next 15 days, or if I have a time I will do the next week also. So thanks a lot, have a profitable week.